Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to disable camera control button in iPhone 16. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone 16. Then scroll down and tap Camera option. Under System Settings, you will see Camera Control. By default, you will see click Camera Control to open Camera app. Tap Camera Control. Under Choose a gesture to open the camera app. Select None. Then go back to Camera and make sure under System Settings beside Camera Control, None selected. Close Settings app. By selecting the None option, you can prevent the iPhone 16 from launching Camera app whenever the camera control button is pressed. So these are the steps to disable camera control button in iPhone 16. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.